What is up, guys? It's Fixing Family here, and today we're doing a screen replacement and repair on this iPhone XR with olive oil damage. So yeah, guys, I got this phone in the other day. It has olive oil damage. You heard that right. We have some olive oil damage here. They apparently spell olive oil. Well, either they dropped it in olive oil or they spelled olive oil. I don't know. Olive oil somehow got inside this phone. So today we're going to go ahead, we're going to clean it up, we're going to do a screen replacement, and yeah, let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright, let's go ahead and let's get started here. So we're going to take out the two bottom penelope screws. Wow, so surprisingly there's not a whole lot of residue here. But it's almost like someone has been in here before, as the adhesive is like gone. I don't know if olive oil would like disintegrate adhesive. Well, I don't know. I can't really tell. Huh. There's not a whole lot of residue here, which is good. So let's go ahead and let's get this old screen off and we'll test it with the new screen. Then I'll go ahead and clean everything up. Alright, there we go. Old screen's off. We're going to go ahead and clean everything up, then we'll put the new screen on. Alright guys, so we have everything all cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead, we're going to test out the screen real quick, just in case. Put everything on the new screen. We use the reprogrammer. Cool. Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out real quick, make sure the screen's good. Then I'll take everything back apart and we'll put the seal in and finish this up. Alright, we went and tested it out. Works good. So now we can unplug the battery. Take the screen off again. We're going to take this plastic stuff off. Alright, there we go. I'm going to give it a final wipe down. There we go. Go ahead and close it up. Get that crunch. Concerning crunches right there. Scary. Alright, all in, all together. Go ahead and throw the bottom screws on. And we're done. Good as new.
So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We just hit 2,000 subscribers, so thank you so much everybody for subscribing. It means a lot. I'm making sure to keep coming out with new and unique content. And yeah guys, thank you very much again. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.